A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. On a hot scorching day of summer, an ant was walking around. In search of water. After walking around for some time, she saw a river and was delighted to see it. She climbed up on a small rock. To drink the water. But she slipped and fell into the river. She was drowning. But a dove who was sitting on a nearby tree helped her. Seeing the ant in trouble, the dove quickly dropped a leaf into the water. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up on it. The dove then carefully pulled the leaf out and placed it on the land. This way, the ant's life was saved, and she was forever indebted to the dove. The ant and the dove became the best of friends. And days passed happily. However, one day, a hunter arrived at the forest. He saw the beautiful dove sitting on the tree. And aimed his gun at the dove. The ant, who was saved by the dove, saw this and bit on the heel of the hunter. He shouted from the pain. And dropped the gun. The dove was alarmed. By the voice of the hunter and realized what could have happened with him. He flew away. Moral: a good deed never goes unrewarded.